What's going on, everybody? So in this video, I'm going to show you amazing AI presentation tool that builds your presentations and marketing tools for you, pitch decks, all that good stuff. So it's called Gamma. We use it all the time. It's an amazing tool. And then in next video, I'm going to show you how we're leveraging ChatGPT and how we're building out our sales avatars, our sales copies, our scripts, everything, literally building our whole entire infrastructure through ChatGPT. But in this video, I'm just going to show you Gamma. This is super sick. So I'll show you one of our templates I already have. So for instance, in my last video or one of my videos, I built this out. So it's just pretty much going over AI and how top 5 niches, and it's built out completely for me. So I'm going to show you how it works. So for instance, let me just create one. You can do URL if you already have like an existing presentation or Google Doc or something. And then also if you want to generate with this a one-line prompt, or you can copy and text. So what I'll do is copy and text, and I'll come to ChatGPT and we'll just say, so I'll just have this write out my quick little script, and you don't even have to make it this detailed. I could probably just type this, literally this exact thing inside of Gamma, but typically I like to do it through ChatGPT first because it gives it a little bit more detail. So once that's all done, I'll go into Gamma, I'll paste this, and I will want it, you can put it into like a social document, web page presentation. I'm going to put it into a default presentation. So this will go on here. I'll do this thing, or you can pick through a bunch of different themes. I'll just generate, and voila, your presentation gets spit out. It's amazing. And you can change stuff up, obviously, change up the pictures, the graphics, and all that good stuff. But this is insane. And I personally think this is going to take a lot of people out of jobs, and AI alone will replace so many jobs and so many people inside these jobs. And it will only take maybe 1 or 2 people to run these systems, and these companies will be able to cut staff so much just bringing in AI tools or leveraging AI tools or systems or AI infrastructure build outs to get put into their company. That alleviates them from, at the end of the day, business to business. And a lot of businesses are going to see, start seeing these tools as they come in and see people promote these tools. And once they start putting them inside of their companies, it's not only going to, cut staff costs and increase their profit margins, but it's going to also allow them to, scale at crazy levels, just because these AI bots are like that. As before, they would have to hire somebody on Fiverr to do this. We have the in-house marketing team, copywriters, all that stuff. Now AI can do it in seconds. And you can see exactly what this looks like and how they built this out. And you can change up scripts and you can change stuff up, but this is insane. These tools are getting better and better. ChatGPT just came out with a new update. That's what I'm going to go over in the next video, is ChatGPT updates and what we're doing in ChatGPT, and how we build our companies through there. And yeah, this is sick. I love Gamma. This is an amazing tool. And we do a lot of presentations and build a lot of our stuff out of here. Let me know your thoughts below if you think AI and you're going to see jobs get replaced by tools like this. And if you have any tools that you guys are seeing that you want me to get that deep into and play around with and give a review on. But hope this video helped. Hope you guys start to utilize this in your current business or in your current job to help you build presentations or, slide decks or pitch decks. It's an awesome tool. So I will see you guys on the next video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe.